Welcome to this video, where I will guide you step by step on how to close your chess.com account directly from the app on your phone. Whether you no longer wish to play or want to take a break, this tutorial will help you deactivate your account safely and permanently. First, open the chess.com app on your phone device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the option labeled More. Now, from the More menu, scroll down and select Settings. Next, in the More menu, scroll down and select Account. Then, you will see an option labeled Tap Here. Click on that. If you want to remove all your personal data, along with closing the account, make sure to turn on the Remove My Data toggle. After that, click on OK to confirm your choice. Next, you will find the option Close My Account. Tap on this button. The app will then ask you to log in again to verify your identity. Enter your login details to proceed. Finally, after logging in, confirm that you want to close your account by clicking on Close Account. Your chess.com account will then be closed permanently. In conclusion, closing your chess.com account through the app is a simple process when you follow these steps carefully. Remember to decide if you want to remove your data before closing, and always verify your identity to complete the action. Thank you for watching.